You just checked your JAMB results. Your heart was beating very fast. Then you saw your score, and for a second, you felt relief because you passed. Congratulations. Then the next second, a question hit you. How am I going to survive in school? Not just to pass your exams, but eat, buy textbooks, pay for laundries, buy data, transportation, and other miscellaneous expenses without disturbing your parents or uncles and aunties every weekend. That's why I made this video. Not just to give you hope, but to give you 5 actual skills that students are using right now to pay their own bills in school. And number 5 might surprise you. So stay with me till the end. Watch this video, don't skip any parts.
Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Peculiar Daily Income. This is where we turn struggle into daily success. Hit subscribe and let's build together.
Number 1 skill is nail technician. It is simple and easy to learn, but it is a gold mine. Now, before you say that skill is for girls, stop. Money has no gender. In school, especially if you're in university or polytechnic, female students want to look good always. And there are so many events such as matriculation, departmental week, convocation, and every weekend someone needs a press on nails, a gel polish, or just a refill. Here is all you need to start this business. You don't need much. One set of nail can cost you 3 to 5,000 naira depending on the design. The materials are just spag glue, nail file, nail polish, nail dissolver, and a small nail dryer, which isn't even compulsory. You can start this business with less than 15,000 naira. You can learn it in 2 weeks. You can learn via YouTube. You can learn via any good nail technician around your area. Now imagine you do 10 customers per week and you charge them 1,500 naira to 2,500 based on the design. That is 25K in a week. So with this, you won't be bothered about feeding and every other expenses in school. And you don't need a shop to start. You do it from your hostel, from your lodge. Post your samples on WhatsApp status, on your departmental WhatsApp group, on your faculty WhatsApp group. Girls will always find you. Don't joke with this. Number 2 skill is simple hair braiding, such as weaving, wigging, installation, and basic cornrows or Ghana weaving. Look, in Nigerian schools, every Friday and Saturdays, girls are rushing to braid new hair for church, parties, photo shoots, birthday parties, and look good for the weekend. Now, here is the secret. You don't need to be a professional hairstylist. Learn 3 things such as basic weaving, straight or bag weaving, make it very neat. Learn how to make Ghana weaving. Learn how to do knotless braiding. Charge 2,000 naira to 5,000 naira per head. If you do 2 heads in a day or on a weekend, that is 20K in 2 days. Guys, don't run. I know male students are learning braiding. In fact, in so many reputable salons, guys are the breeders there and they are doing extremely well. I know of many women that pay for guys to make their own breading because they say that guys breading is more neat, more good than female. So guys, this is also an opportunity for you. Number 3 skill is basic computer knowledge. I'm not talking about programming or crypto. I'm talking about real street level school money. What do students need every day? Typing, printing of assignments, CVs, projects, editing of files and converting files. Simple graphic design for event flyers you can do using Canva or MS Word. So every day people are doing their projects, they need people to type for them. Here it is startup. Get a cheap laptop, even a second hand that is very good. Buy a mini printer. If you don't have money for printer, you can get a mini printer for 30,000 naira. But if you don't have a mini printer, you can, after typing, use your school cyber cafe. Learning typing will help you to be fast. That is the secret. So during this event, you render your people will need your services. And if your customers know you, whenever there is assignments that requires typing and printing, they will always give it to you. At some point, they might even give you cost rep because this is what cost rep do. So don't sleep on this knowledge. They will help you. People will need flyer for events, birthdays, and all that. So learn basic computer training. Number five is painting. Yes, this one is especially for the guys, but ladies, if you are strong, nobody is stopping you because all my days in the university, I painted my rooms and for others too. So when school resume, new hostels will be needing painting. People will rent new lodges and they will need to change colors. Landlords around schools are always looking for cheap but careful painters. So here is the game changer for you. Learn interior painting such as emotion, satin, and undercoats. Learn how to mix colors and how to mask edges very well. Work with your senior colleagues as an apprentice for 1 month. As you're working with them, they'll be giving you small, small tips as you're learning. A student painter can charge nothing less than 10K to 15K to paint a single room. The materials needed are not just your brush and your masking tape. If you do two rooms on a day or on a weekend, that's 30K. And painting is not a daily job. You can fix it during the weekend. You get the job, you tell them on Saturday I'll come for it, on Sunday I'll come for it. Let me tell you, lecturers even hire students to paint their houses. That connection alone can change your school life. Skill number five is makeup. Listen, I know we said nails and hair already, but makeup is its own gold mine. In school, events happen almost every weekend. Matriculation, faculty nights, convocation, birthday parties, wedding guests. And you see this freshers, this year what students, they can pay their highest money to look good. So learn basic makeup, know how to fill in foundation properly, how to draw eyebrow. That is the most important thing. If you can carve eyebrow very well, you're good to go. Practice on your friends, on your lodge mates, on your classmates. Take pictures of before and after. Post on your WhatsApp status. Post on your departmental group chat, on your departmental WhatsApp group, faculty WhatsApp group. People will always contact you whenever they have events. They will. Before you know it, you start going for high class makeup. If there is matriculation, enter school hostel and render your services. I have a classmate that saw herself through school with makeup. She learned it in YouTube. She didn't pay anyone. And she was very nice because she put her mind into it. So people always come to her lodge for makeup and she charged them. And whenever there is matriculation or convocation, she will enter hostel. People will queue up for her services. And she will do them simple, simple makeup and charge 3 to 5,000 naira each. And at the end of the day, she's coming back with nothing less than 40K. See, pick one skill from all these five skills I just mentioned. Don't pick two, don't pick three, just one. Master them. You can learn for free on YouTube. You can learn from anybody around you as a professional. Pay for it. If you pay for any skill, you won't regret it. So learn to fix nails, braid, or any of these five things I mentioned. Practice, learn to practice. At first, give your services for free. Practice on your siblings, on your friends, and before you know it, your hand will be strong. When your hand is strong, as school resumes, you start charging for your services and people would always come back. You see, one thing with school business is that students has no option. If you're good at what you're doing, they will always come to you. They will always recommend you. And the most important is that you will not lack money. You won't be disturbing anyone for urgent 2K. You will live comfortably in school. You won't live under pressure. And whenever there is any need for expenses, you will sort it out by yourself. Many students will resume school now, collect pocket money and finish it in 2 weeks. Then they will start borrowing. They will start crying. And before they know it, they will start living a borrowed life, a lifestyle they never bargained for. So help yourself. Get any of these skills. It will keep you busy and you won't be carried away by every activity in school because you won't have time for them. I didn't say that it will be easy, no. But I'm saying it is possible. It is something I have tried and I have seen so many people that tried it. So your own will not be different. Start today. If you just wrote JAMB and you're waiting for admission and results, do not waste this waiting period. Try to apply what you learned from this video. This is peculiar daily income. We show you how to make daily money, peculiar money, your kind of money. So if this video helped you, like it, Share it with your future roommates. Share it with people that wrote JAMB. Those your friends you met in the JAMB hall. Share it with them. Share with parents that their children wrote JAMB. Let them help their children. Let them invest in their kids. Let them equip them so that everyone will be happy. You won't be tense. You won't have to be selling your properties because your child is in school. Invest in your child. God bless your admission. I'll see you in my next video. Have you subscribed?